broccoli, eraser, cookie,
Whoa! I like white chocolate and I wanted to make this for my dad on Valentine's Day. He liked bread and he liked white chocolate. This bread is very good for making sandwiches, especially cheese sandwiches. I decided to make broccoli bread because I like broccoli and broccoli is delicious. I think this bread is very healthy and very easy to make. I put something called cereal husks in this bread because teacher said it will make my bread look more like bread. I got this idea from TV and the link book it says that bagels are chewy. This is because you boil bagels before you make them. I learned that pretzels are also boiled. They are boiled in water and baking soda. This makes them taste special and it makes the color shiny and brown. This is winter bread because you can buy strawberry in winter, but you can also use frozen strawberry in summer. The nuts is the bread are healthy. They also help to make the bread not too wet.
The yeast will eat the sugar in the chosen cider. Chosen cider is lemon and lime flavor, so that means this bread will taste like lemon and lime. Maybe it will be bitter.
I like cheese. I thought of this idea while we were reading the lesson about bread in different countries. I think the cheese taste will be very good, but this bread needs lots of time to rise. Here is a tip before you bake them. Make little cuts in the bread and spray them with water to make them crispy.
Pear is sweet and honey is very sweet. So I didn't put any sugar in this bread. Dried fruit is sweet too. So only put the dried fruit if you don't want very sweet bread. This bread is very easy to make.
You don't need too much sugar because the banana is sweet, especially when it is big. It is very tasty with chocolate. Maybe this bread is not healthy, but it is very good. I like potato chips and this bread is very easy to make. I think this bread is not really bread. It is a cookie. I think if you eat a lot of this, it will be very unhealthy. But I think this bread is very delicious.
Why chicken bread? Because chicken is silly, chicken is yummy, and I will like chicken bread. It will taste like chicken. Eat this bread hot. It is very special, Francis.
The gummy bears were melted in the oven. Let the pizza cool off. a little bit before you cut it and eat it. The bread is chewy and the gummy bears are sweet. Very tasty, I think.